In this video tutorial, you will learn how to delete a theme in WordPress. Do you have an old WordPress theme installed on your site that you're ready to remove but unsure how to do so safely? WordPress itself comes with pre-installed themes, and if you tested some older themes, this can use up space on your hosting. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, then click on Themes. You can see I have many themes installed on this website, which ends up taking too much unnecessary space. You can just click on the theme you are not actively using, and you will get an option in the bottom right corner of your screen to safely delete it. You can also delete your themes via cPanel. Just log into your cPanel account, then click on File Manager. Since I am working on my subdomain, I will look for that folder. If you are working on your main domain, then open this folder called Public HTML. Double-click on the folder to open it. Look for the folder named WP Content. Double-click on the folder to open it. Here we have another folder called Themes. This folder will contain all the installed themes on your website. So when you open this folder, you will see multiple folders in it with the name of the themes you have on your website. Just right-click on the theme folder you want to remove. Then click on Delete. Deleting the theme folder from here will remove the theme from your website. So when I go back to my dashboard and reload this page, you can see that the Astral theme is now removed from my website. This is how you can delete themes in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.